In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check contributors in GitHub. Start by opening your GitHub dashboard. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your personalized overview. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled Top Repositories and click it to open the list. This shows the projects you've worked with most recently or most often. From here, click the repository you want to analyze so we can dive into its contribution data. Inside the repository, open the Contributors view. This page summarizes who has contributed over time and how active each person has been. At the top, you'll see a chart labeled something like Contributions per week to main, excluding merge commits. Go ahead and click into that area so you can focus on the default chart. The key detail here is that merge-only commits are filtered out, which helps the numbers reflect meaningful changes rather than just merges. Next, switch to commits over time. Clicking this view gives you a clear trend line of activity across the selected period, which makes it easier to spot surges, lulls, or release windows. If you want to focus on a specific person, click a contributor's username in the legend or list. This highlights just their work on the chart, so you can compare an individual's activity against the project overall. Now let's fine-tune the time frame. Open the period menu and start with All to view the complete history. Then change it to Last month to zoom in on recent work. Confirm that the page indicates the filter is set to last month. Next, select Last 3 months and confirm again so you can see a broader quarter's activity. When you're done comparing those windows, switch back to All to restore the full context. With the time range set, adjust what metric you're looking at. Open the Contributions menu and choose Additions to visualize lines of code added. You'll see the heading update to indicate additions, which can be helpful when measuring feature growth. Then switch to Deletions to view lines removed. The page will confirm deletions, giving insight into refactors or cleanups. Finally, return to Commits to compare overall commit counts across contributors and periods. A few quick tips as you review the data. GitHub bases these graphs on the repository's default branch, often named main, so totals reflect that branch's history. The charts are a great starting point, but for deeper context, open individual commits from highlighted contributors to see what changed. And remember that rebases or force pushes can reshape history, so very old timelines may shift slightly. That's it. You've checked contributors,